Hello, nerdy keyboard friends. I am going to, is ASMR what the kids call it? I'm going to make some sound recordings of some key switches here. We'll start with the Cherry MX Brown, then we'll do the MX Blue just for kicks. This is the Cherry MX Red, then the Silent Red, and then just because it's appalling, the Kailh Box White, which is the loudest switch I have. I will smash the keys to be like bottoming them out, and then I'll also just actuate them. Hopefully my kids being really loud upstairs won't affect it. So this is the brown. The blue. The red. Silent red. And the horrific white. I think I would slaughter a coworker who has that. I'll do the reds again. Like it's really super quiet. Yeah, anyway. Hope that was fun.